Finnovation. If you noticed that a lot of the comment section on my videos are turned off, that's because YouTube asked content creators to pick whether they're an adult channel or a children's channel. I chose a children's channel, and if you want to get a hold of me, go to my Instagram, Finnovation Official, and please follow that. But into the video. So, my porch is looking pretty great with my nutcracker. But the obvious question is...
with a few days left to Christmas, what can we add to make the porch look even better?
I don't know. How about a giant bow? Let's get into it. Okay, these are the materials you're gonna need. You can pause the video right now to see what you need. Okay, let's move on. Okay, what we're gonna do now is cover our table in this cloth. Okay, I'm gonna take off these bottom pieces just so they don't get in the way. Okay, we're gonna be using these buckets as our kind of like ribbon parts. So I'm gonna use a pair of wire cutters and just snip off the thing on the inside. There we go. And now we should be able to just slip off the other part because it has just a little curve there. Now we need to make 9 more. Okay, there we go. Also, we have about 10 of these bucket lids. If you have any ideas, put them in the comment section down below because I have no idea what to do with these. Okay, right now we're gonna find the center. About 19 and 3/4 of an inch, so about right there. Alright, our center is about right here. Now what we're gonna do is take this, which is just a red cutting board, and we're gonna cut it about in half, and it's gonna be the centerpiece for our bow. Okay, right now, what we're doing is, just so you know guys, this is like super flexible. It's like cardstock almost. And I'm gonna fold this in half, okay? And then I'm gonna use some scissors to cut it. This is super thin, so cuts really easily. Okay, right now, after we've got this cut, we are going to use just a little bit of duct tape, like this, and space this out, just like this. Make sure we got our corners lined up. Okay, and now we're going to use our buckets and space out around here. Okay, we just got it all spaced. Cameraman, come and take a look at this. Looks really great. I think that really looks just like a bow. Okay, now all we're going to do is drill some holes in these buckets and screw them in. Okay, now what we're gonna do is drill some holes in these buckets and screw them right in. Okay, we just finished putting on all of our buckets. Now what we're gonna do is use some batting on the back. This is just kind of like some squishy stuff so that it doesn't scrape up the door. And we put a little bit of fishing wire and 2 eye hooks. And we'll just put like a little hook on the door so that it'll stay on there. So right now what we're gonna do is glue on the Okay, what we just did was we added a little bit of ribbon and filled in some spots that we couldn't get. We would spray paint it, but it's really cold outside, so we couldn't do that. But anyway, this Christmas bow sure looks great.
Christmas, Finn, that reminds me of a joke.
What is it?
What do you call a shark that brings presents to little boy and girl sharks?
What?
Santa Jaws.
Oh, well, isn't that ironic? I'm wearing a Shark Santa shirt. Well, whatever. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button right now, please. And go watch Making a Giant Nutcracker, please. Thanks for watching. Bye.